Government has earmarked 10 billion shillings in its quest to transform Thika into an industrial smart city in the next 5 years. The funds will go towards modernizing the town's infrastructure, including roads, water, energy, and non-motorized transport. Kiambu County Governor Kimani Wamatangi says future projects include a proposed airstrip and an urban rail system, as well as tech hubs, among others.
Plans to upgrade Thika into a modern industrial city have been on the card for long now, with the government working with various stakeholders to achieve this dream. Thika is one of the most industrialized towns in Kenya, with industries like motor vehicle assembly, food processing, among others. Urban planners say the town's climate, urban planning, agricultural productivity, and industrial presence make it well positioned to become a city in the Mount Kenya region.
In terms of opportunity for business and growth and market, we are not looking. We have the natural advantage as Thika. And that is why, by the way, all the other industries that were here blossomed.
Kiambu County Governor Kimani Wamatangi says development projects in water, health, infrastructure, education and trade are in place to ensure the town achieves the city status.
Because we want to create a proper environment within the town, whereby the former business trader who has a shop can feel comfortable in his shop. They know that they pay a license so they can trade.
Key projects to be implemented in partnership with the national government include a 5.7 billion shillings water reticulation project to boost capacity by Thika Water and Sewerage Company, 500 million shillings for walkways and non-motorized transport, among others.
From that water is now just proper reticulation of water. And that we are prepared to do. We have set aside funds to ensure that that reticulation happens.
Future projects include a proposed airstrip, a 2 billion shillings rail system, ICT and tech hubs, and the modernization of hospitals and ECDE centers.
In what way or how can we make this idea or Thika smart city be beneficiary to them? In what ways can they benefit?
So God willing, at the pace which we are moving with this very able technical team, we may have a city. In fact, by next year, by mid of next year, God willing.
Ian Muse, Easy Friday.